Shopify versus Shopify Plus. So hello everyone, so in today's video, I'll be showing to you guys the comparison between Shopify and Shopify Plus. So without further ado, let us begin. So let us just do a quick assessment between Shopify versus Shopify Plus. So Shopify streamlines essential operational aspects, facilitating seamless in-store setup, product addition, order processing, shopping cart management, and inventory oversight. Equipped with marketing tools such as analytics and integrations, it aids online stores in expanding and enhancing their digital footprint. Tailored for small-scale online retailers, Shopify proves particularly advantageous for novices navigating the complexities of launching an e-commerce venture. With its easily comprehensible features, Shopify fosters a seamless user experience, easing the journey into online entrepreneurship. So, distinguishing itself from its counterpart, Shopify Plus offers superior integrations, augmenting its capacity as a comprehensive platform for omni-channel commerce. Central to Shopify Plus is its organizational admin feature, facilitating centralized management of multiple stores from a single interface. Moreover, it empowers users to incorporate custom applications and leverage programs like the Partner Program, POS Pro, Plus Community, among others. Comparative analysis between Shopify Plus and its predecessor underscores their distinct target demographics and value propositions. So this right here is the table between Shopify and Shopify Plus. So we have factors right here. So let us begin with the first factor, which is subscription fees. So for Shopify, it has three plans right here. So it has the basic plan, which is $19 per month, on the Shopify plan, which is $49 per month, and the advanced plan, which is $299 per month. While for Shopify Plus, it starts at $2,000 a month. Next is we have cost of payment processing. So for Shopify, it has a 2.9% plus 30 cents for online cart sales, in-person transaction fee of 2.5%, online transaction fee of 2.6 plus 30 cents, non-Shopify payments fee of 1%. For Shopify Plus, in-person transaction fee is based on your credit card sales volume, and online transaction fee is based on your credit card sales volume, non-Shopify payments fee of 0.15%. Next is let us proceed with the key features. So for Shopify, it has an easy-to-use interface, versatile storefront, inventory management, order processing, and CRM tool, and secure payment processing. For Shopify Plus, customization options, scalability for high-growth businesses, unlimited bandwidth, automatic scaling, and industry-leading uptime guarantees. Built-in integrations with leading platforms like Amazon, eBay, and Facebook, support for multiple languages, currencies, and localized storefronts, and automation and workflow tools. For customization, Shopify has limited customization options, especially for themes and checkout process. For Shopify Plus, it has extensive customization capabilities, including access to source code and dedicated account management. For functionality, Shopify has basic features for small to medium businesses, while Shopify Plus has advanced features for high volume businesses. For scalability, Shopify it's suitable for small to medium-sized businesses, while for Shopify Plus, it is designed for high volume businesses with complex needs. For performance, Shopify has a shared infrastructure and may experience lower load times during peak traffic, while Shopify Plus has dedicated infrastructure with enhanced performance and reliability due to dedicated resources. For API access, Shopify has access to Shopify's RESTful API for integrating with third-party apps and custom development, while for Shopify Plus, you'll get full access to Shopify's API, including Plus exclusive APIs for enhanced functionality. For support, Shopify has 24/7 support via phone, email, and live chat, while Shopify Plus has dedicated support with priority response times and a dedicated account manager. For security, Shopify has level 1 PCI DSS compliance, SSL encryption, and fraud prevention measures, while Shopify Plus has enhanced security features, including exclusive access to Shopify Plus certified app partner program and customizable user roles. For Launchpad, Shopify has automated scheduling and deployments of sales campaigns and product launches, while for Shopify Plus, it has advanced automation tools for managing sales events and promotion. For wholesale, Shopify has limited wholesale features, requires third-party apps or customization, while for the Plus one, it has a built-in wholesale channel with advanced features like tiered pricing, custom catalogs, and dedicated support. And then lastly, for internationalization, Shopify has multi-currency support but requires third-party apps or customization, while for Shopify Plus, it has enhanced multi-currency capabilities with native support for multiple languages and currencies. Next is we're gonna move on to a comprehensive comparison between Shopify and Shopify Plus. So let's start with the pricing plan. So the primary distinction between Shopify and Shopify Plus lies in their pricing structures, each tailored to suit the diverse needs and budgets of merchants. So Shopify offers 5 distinct plans catering to varying online store requirements and team sizes. So for the basic plan, again, $19 per month, Shopify plan $49 per month, and advanced plan will be $299 per month. It's important to consider that all standard Shopify plans are subject to transaction fees for both online and in-store sales, along with additional non-Shopify payment fees. On the other hand, Shopify pricing plans are customized and quoted individually, typically starting at $2,500 per month. This enterprise-level commitment encompasses a percentage of your store's monthly sales volume, along with additional fees for transactions, online store development, site launch, third-party services, and add-ons. Unlike Shopify, Shopify Plus does not offer fixed pricing plans. Instead, you'll need to reach out to a Shopify Plus sales representative to obtain a tailored quote for your specific business needs. Next is we have themes and design flexibility. With Shopify, customization is key. And with Shopify Plus, the possibilities expand even further with the introduction of Shopify Liquid, an open source template language that empowers users to tailor their themes to suit their exact needs. So for Shopify, it has a variety of themes. So Shopify boasts a diverse array of 70 professionally crafted themes, including approximately 10 free options. These themes span various industries and are engineered to adapt seamlessly to any device, ensuring a visually appealing storefront across the board. Next is customization capabilities. So the theme editor in Shopify enables users to adjust numerous aspects of their selected theme, from colors and typography to layout, all without necessitating any coding prowess. However, for those versed in HTML, CSS, or liquid coding, the scope for customization expands significantly. Next is Theme Store and third-party offerings. So Shopify's Theme Store presents an assortment of themes encompassing both free and premium selections crafted by globally recognized designers. Additionally, users have the flexibility to explore third-party themes available for purchase from alternative marketplaces. The heightened flexibility of these themes not only enhances aesthetic appeal, but also contributes to an enriched Shopify user experience, a vital element for the success of Shopify merchants. For Shopify Plus, it encompasses all Shopify features. So Shopify Plus inherits all the features inherent to Shopify, providing a comprehensive toolkit for users. It also has expansive theme management, so with Shopify Plus, users can incorporate up to 100 themes into their account, maintaining seasonal variations of their themes, or experiment with changes in a duplicate of their chosen theme. Next is dedicated support. So seasoned Shopify staff are at your service with Shopify Plus, offering assistance in crafting custom edits to any theme within the planned scope, affording users substantial savings in both expenditure and effort. Then lastly, access to Shopify script editor. So Shopify Plus unlocks access to the script editor, empowering users to curate personalized experiences within the shopping cart and during checkout, a feature we'll delve into further in subsequent sections. Next is we have Organization Admin Tool. So Shopify Plus introduces a game-changing feature, which is multiple store management, streamlining operations by consolidating all your stores under a single subscription. Say goodbye to the traditional Shopify admin interface and welcome the Organization Admin, your gateway to centralized store management. Within the Shopify Organization Admin, users gain the ability to oversee multiple stores concurrently. This includes functionalities such as adding, suspending, or removing users in bulk, fine-tuning permissions, and creating or assigning roles, all from one centralized hub. Furthermore, the organization admin offers a comprehensive overview of analytics data, presenting vital metrics like total sales and orders in a unified dashboard. This holistic view empowers users to conduct thorough assessments of their organization's performance, facilitating informed, data-driven decision-making. Next are staff accounts and permissions. While basic Shopify plans come with restrictions on the number of staff accounts, Shopify Plus breaks these barriers by offering unlimited staff accounts. Moreover, the permission settings in Shopify Plus are far more intricate compared to standard versions. Here, users can finely tune permissions, granting or restricting access to specific actions such as exporting reports or managing particular apps. Within the admin interface, users gain control over the actions of designated team members. This ensures that your entire store management team, regardless of its size, can collaborate seamlessly without unnecessary limitations, fostering a safer and more structured workflow. Next is Shopify POS Pro. So the Shopify POS Pro app offers the convenience of selling your products in diverse settings, including retail stores and pop-up shops. Seamlessly integrate within your Shopify account. This system streamlines order tracking and inventory management across multiple selling locations. And with all Shopify Plus plans, you receive access to 20 Shopify POS Pro locations. Should you require additional locations, you can discuss options for expansion during the onboarding process. Next is specialized apps and API resources. So Shopify Plus provides exclusive access to advanced Shopify apps and apps from Shopify Plus partners available on the App Store. Tailored to meet the needs of high-growth merchants, these apps are instrumental in maintaining exceptional standards for running online stores. Exclusive channels only to Shopify Plus merchants include the wholesale channel, Launchpad, script editor, and integrations with Avalara, Ava Tax services. Next is support. So basic Shopify provides users with various standard contact channels such as email, phone, or chat, ensuring assistance for inquiries or issues round the clock. Additionally, Shopify offers an extensive online help center comprising articles, guides, and tutorials covering diverse topics, from store setup and product addition to payment management and shipping. In contrast, Shopify Plus offers dedicated support and exclusive programs tailored to merchants' needs. With Shopify Plus, vendors benefit from dedicated account managers who offer one-on-one service, guiding them through tasks like configuring shipping rates and integrating third-party software solutions. So the Merchant Success Program, a feature of Shopify Plus, assists store owners in maximizing the platform's capabilities. So this program involves collaborating with a Shopify Plus consultant to assess business requirements, evaluate features, and identify growth opportunities. Next is working with a solutions engineer to seamlessly integrate tools and technical components with the platform. Next is receiving guidance from the launch team on customer user access, international storefronts, custom integrations, data migration, and store launch strategies. Then lastly, accessing the Shopify's Partners Program, where experts assist in navigating business challenges and market opportunities. Next is we have wholesale. So the Shopify Plus wholesale offers the flexibility to establish a distinct storefront as an extension of your primary store. This enables seamless management of all orders to a single Shopify admin interface across both channels. With this feature, you can offer the same products to wholesale customers as you do to regular Shopify users, albeit at bulk prices with tailored discounts. However, Shopify has announced that this functionality will be phased out by the end of April 2024 to be replaced by a dedicated B2B solution. And then we have internationalization. So Shopify offers multi-currency support, yet its implementation typically requires third-party apps or customization to ensure seamless transactions across various currencies. However, with Shopify Plus, global selling becomes a breeze, so the system automatically detects customers' locations based on their IP addresses and configures the appropriate currency accordingly. So this eliminates the need for customers to manually select their currency unless they prefer otherwise. Similarly, language settings can adjust dynamically based on customers' locations or preferences, providing a personalized browsing experience within a single store. Moreover, managing taxes becomes significantly streamlined with Shopify Plus. Exclusive to Shopify Plus users, tax software like Avalara Ava Tax automates tax calculations based on the relevant jurisdiction for each customer. This not only ensures accurate tax calculations but also provides detailed reports on tax levy. Users can seamlessly integrate the solution in place of Shopify's standard tax engine, enhancing efficiency and compliance. So to summarize, Shopify is best for growing small to medium-sized businesses that need core and robust e-commerce features such as inventory management, shipping, and competitive payment processing. If you have an e-commerce business with multiple locations, Shopify is the way to go. Shopify Plus, a way more expensive plan, is more suited for large enterprises that engage in high-volume multi-channel selling and want advanced features such as international shipping fulfillment, international payment processing in multiple currencies and languages, the ability to monitor real-time analytics for omni-channel sales, 3D modeling of online store products, automated workflows, and so on. And then after that, we're pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it. The difference or comparison between Shopify and Shopify Plus. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.